I'm your balloon twister, Giordano the Great, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a really cool frog. This is one of the better frogs out there. It looks more like a real frog, and the legs are really cool, and the arms. So definitely learn how to do this one. I am going to be using a lime green like a traditional frog. So take your bump and blow it up so there's about 4 fingers left. 4 to 4.5 kind of thing. So right about there. As you can see now, it's just about 4 fingers, maybe slightly more. A tiny bit more. Okay, but somewhere around there should be good. Pinch off a little bit, let it go, and then let some air out. Okay, quite a bit, but not too much. Tie it off, and now give it a squeeze, and run it through your hand a couple times, and now we're ready to begin the frog. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make about 3-inch bubble. 3 to 3.5 inch. Then we're gonna give it a squeeze, and we're gonna make the first eye, so about an inch and a quarter, and then squeeze it, make the second eye, make sure that they are basically the same size. Makes your eyes look better, it just looks more professional. So that's about right there. Squeeze that and twist that off, and then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take the top and the bottom here and pull it down the side like that, and then twist off the eyes like that and leave it so we're looking something kind of like this. So now we have the eyes here. Now we're going to do the arms. That's one arm, a second arm there, make it the same size, so measure it like that and twist it off. And then take your end piece there and twist it around and tuck it in like that. Now we have the eyes of the frog and the arms of the frog. Now I know it doesn't look like eyes and arms yet, but don't worry, it will. Then we squeeze it, and this time we measure up here, and we leave a little bit extra about right there, like that. So we have a little bit extra on top, twist that, and then make another one of these. So I'll just measure that and twist her off, and then twist it all together like that. So now we're looking at like we have this so far. We have the eyes, the arms, these are gonna be the legs, and this is gonna be the back of the body, okay? So now, at this point, what you want to do is you want to take the legs down here, and you want to spread them apart a little bit, but here leave some room right here. Don't twist it all the way in and twist it. Leave some space. Grab the end of your balloon and wrap it around like that, leaving, if you can, a little bit of space. So at the beginning, when you make sure you leave lots of room for that, okay? Then what we're gonna wanna do is we have basically, here we have the legs now down here. So now we're gonna wanna twist off about another, the same as the legs here, as here. Then twist that really well. Make a 1-inch bubble. We're gonna do a bubble twist. So there's the 1-inch bubble. Remember, when you do a bubble twist, you gotta turn it really well so they don't deform or deflate. Okay, so now we're looking at like that, and that's about perfect now. So now what we're gonna do, if we just brought the end up here and wrapped it around like that, you can see that is looking pretty good like a frog, but not as good, because look at the legs, they don't look as good. So what we're gonna do, instead of bringing it up, we're gonna bring it down and around the back, okay? We're gonna bring it around the back and bring it up like this to the back, so the little end is putting at the back. Then we're gonna wrap the mouth around the top, and we're gonna have a little bit left here to make a pinch bubble, and we want it about the same size as the one that's left down here on this side, so these two here. And we're gonna wrap it in to that last bubble twist on the back. So now we're looking like this. You see how the legs are nicer now that we've done that? We wrapped it around the back. So there's basically the frog, but now we need to draw the eyes and the mouth, and then you can even do spots and things like that, but just an eyes and mouth make it look really nice. Now even from the side, it doesn't necessarily look like a frog totally, but it's not bad, and from the back it's pretty good. And you can hold this part here like that, or you can even put it on like a stick and they can hold that stick. So I'm gonna do the artwork, then I'll show you what I've done. So there you have it. Now it has some nice eyes there and a nice smiling face, and that really does look like a frog. I must say it's a pretty cool, not too hard to do. So that's how you do it. And remember, you can learn all my balloon animals at balloonbro.com.